Hello, everybody, and welcome to Cats Meow Designs. I'm Jasmine, and today we are going to be talking about a fun new crochet project that you can get done in one evening. That's right, in just one evening. For the majority of these projects, it only took about 2.5 to 3 hours, depending on the pattern. And so I don't know if you guys have heard about these, but if not, for sure you are missing out. And that is Crocheted Fidget Toys. Now, I know what you're saying, but look how cute they are. So this is the Hedgehog pattern, which is the first pattern that I ever tried. I absolutely love it. I'm an overly anxious person, and I also have ADHD, in case you haven't been able to tell. So I like basically everything about this. So you can play and roll the beads. You can squeeze it if you want, and it's also super cute. I keep one of these in my purse at all times, and it is truly super fun. But this is not the only pattern that I've tried. So let me show you a couple other ones. So here is a jellyfish, and I like that you can move them like this and they make a noise, and it's also easier to roll the beads. And just look how cute it is. Now, this one I did make with did the top with a smaller crochet hook, so yours will probably come out a little bit bigger than mine. I'll give you some tips and tricks at the end as to how you can make these much easier, because I made a lot of them and then realized there was an easier way. I have also made my more recent make as of like 2 days ago was this little frog, and the little beads are on his arms and legs and his feet, which is super cute. He has green eyes to match his body, which is super fun. Also, if you are a farmer, I am a farmer's daughter. So when I saw this one, I kind of had to make it for my dad, and then I ended up making one for myself. It is this adorable ear of corn. I mean, isn't that cute? And you can take the husk off. This one is definitely a bigger project than some of the other ones. So this one takes for me about 4 to 4.5 hours, but definitely worth it. All of these, you just have these pony beads. You can buy them super cheap. For this one, I just got a variety pack at Walmart and was able to make, I think, 2 of these with just one of those. But anyway, super nice. This one's definitely bigger. They also have this Dinosaur one, which is super cute. You have the beads on the back. You have a curved tail. I made one for my husband because my husband loves dinosaurs. And then I had to make a pink one for me because I have one of almost everything that I've ever made because I'm obsessed. Um, and then the other one that I have made this week, this one is not perfect, but I'm still super proud of it, is this dragon. So the dragon also has the scales on the back. Look at its cute like tail design. We've got wings. We got all 4 feet. Like we got, I don't know if you can tell, we got nostrils in there too. Super fun. And I think the other one that I have made is I have made a sea turtle. And the sea turtle one is super, super, super cute. Um, but I don't have one of those with me because I gave mine away. So I, I have to make another one. But the trick to these I've learned is a lot of them use a relatively small crochet hook. They'll say about 3.5 or 3.75 millimeters. My problem is I was used to using the tapered crochet hooks, and you have to use like a 3 millimeter or a 3.25 or 3.25 millimeter crochet hook, because you actually put the bead onto the shaft of the crochet hook. But the trick that I've learned, which apparently many of these designers use, they use inline crochet hooks This is just a set that I got off of Amazon, and you can actually go up to 3.5 and still get the pony bead actually onto the hook. But these, honestly, all of them, they work up so quickly, and to me, it is so worth it. If you have anybody that has anxiety or, whatever it is, then these are super easy to make. Customizable colors. You can buy a huge set of different colored pony beads at the store or on Amazon, get them delivered right to your door. And it has been so much fun experimenting with all of these. And so I just wanted to put that out there. If you're looking for a fun and simple crochet project, then this is it. I will be sure to link all of these patterns from Etsy in the description box below. I've been basically pretty much just using 2 different designers, and I absolutely love all of the patterns. The only one that I had a problem with was the corn on the cob. There are some errors in there, but if you want to get started and you're not sure, I would definitely start with the hedgehog like I did. And that one is super easy. There is nothing to sew on, which I love, and it works up the quickest. And if you want to take and make the whole face, the same color as the rest of the body, you can do that. I was just experimenting with a different colored face, and I thought it was super cute. But anyway, so that's the video for today. Let me know in the comments if this is something that you would be interested in trying, and if there are any other fun crochet projects that you are working on right now. I will see you in my next video. Bye!